Hello. Welcome back to the place where learning means time optimization. Let's turn our spotlight onto the captivating world of emotions. Picture this. You're walking down a dark alley and suddenly hear a rustling behind you. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and fear engulfs you. Why? How do our brains and bodies produce such powerful reactions? Emotions. They have intrigued psychologists for ages. With this video, we'll be revealing some captivating knowledge about emotions and the theories that surround them. Stay tuned for the best curiosities at the end. So, what is emotion? It's a multifaceted response, encompassing physiological arousal, behaviors, and conscious experiences. Influenced by our cognitive systems, emotions shape our actions. Paul Ekman posited in 1972 that there are 6 primary emotions: happiness, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, and disgust. But there's much more beneath this surface. The 3 pivotal theories of emotions are the physiological, the neurological, and the cognitive. Physiological theory of emotion. Among the earliest formalized theories of emotion, it was introduced by William James in 1884. This theory suggests that our physical reactions precede and inform our emotional experience. Imagine feeling your heart race before recognizing you're scared. In his words, we feel sad because we cry, angry because we strike, afraid because we tremble. Neurological theory of emotion. During the late 1920s, Walter Cannon and Philip Bard proposed that the thalamus triggers simultaneous emotional and physiological responses. Their Cannon-Bard theory emphasizes the inseparable connection between emotion and physiological response. It's not just a cause-effect scenario, but a concurrent experience. Cognitive theory of emotion. Richard Lazarus, with notable publications in the 1990s, emphasizes the power of thought. He posits that emotions stem from our interpretations and judgment of situations. In this case, we would cry because we feel sad, not the other way around. His cognitive mediational theory highlights the role of cognitive appraisal in emotions. As these theories evolved, the field of psychology was greatly influenced. Want to know some tidbits about our emotions? Happiness increases with age and releases chemicals like oxytocin. The Duchenne smile signifies genuine happiness. Sadness can enhance memory and foster empathy. People tend to spend more time ruminating over details when sad. Disgust is recognizable early in children and influences moral judgment. Fear is directly related to the fight or flight response. When we're born, we only fear falling and loud sounds. Surprise is a brief emotion and can be neutral, but it boosts alertness. Anger boosts adrenaline and often arises from primary emotions. While it can drive change, unchecked anger can harm. Emotions have always enriched our lives, adding layers to our experiences. Harnessing them can foster growth and holistic self-understanding. Thanks for joining us. Like what you heard? Hit like, subscribe, and stay unique.